Hey, welcome back to Timber Tuesday. My wife's behind the camera trying to make me laugh. She can't do it. This is a stone cold face right here. Yeah, right here. Anyway, welcome back to Timber Tuesday. If you've seen, in the video, you've probably just seen where I bumped the sawmill. I gotta put it all back into square now. Not that big a deal. Santa Claus brought me this little 3/8 inch driver, and I think that's going to be a really neat little tool here for the sawmill. Makes it really easy to level out. So first off, it really did, it came back pretty well good. If this is hard enough, that's going to make some really unique patterns. Really got to get our sawmill inside of a barn. We're starting. We've got it rolling with the weather. It's just not worked with us at all. It's rained. It's rained some more. Wet, cold, freezing rain. So the other day when we were using the sawmill, it got dark and we went in the house and was going to clean up the next day and it rained. So now it's all kind of mucked up like this. But I mean, it's nothing can't be pressure washed off, but I don't like leaving my equipment dirty. This is where the clamshell type grapple is a lot easier to work with. Each grapple has its purpose, but this one is definitely better for clearing brush, where it's not as good for precise work. But I have the other grapple on little Rufus, which is in the shop getting service right now. I did my 50-hour service. If you haven't seen that video, look out for it. I'm setting chickens. I think we did pretty good there. That outer's soft just for the fact I can screw that in so far. A what? A giraffe. A headless giraffe? All it needs is a head. Okay. Well, I broke his head again. I don't really know what to make out of this. This right here is really pretty. Come look at this. So I really don't know what to do with this. It's got some really, it's pretty hard. I mean, this is solid. That's unusual piece, especially with this limb broke out here. So what I did was the side was sticking out too far, so I put a little sacrifice board behind the back side over there and moved it around, so now it's straight down the center. So I'm going to make I got it out of level, so I'm going to make another cut now to level it all out. Just taking a little skim. I need to cut from this side though. Yeah, that's got a little rot to it because it's not really that heavy. Still be pretty, make something out of it like coat hangers or coat racks with a live edge. But like I said, it's so unusual pattern, such an unusual pattern, right?
Yeah.
So we cut this off here.
What about making a shelf out of that?
We could do that too, but this would be the legs. We cut this off here.
Now you make a shelf out of it. Call shelf.
Well,
We got plenty of wood to make
yeah,
another piece of the top.
I mean, we got plenty of red oak.
No, I mean like out of this right here.
Well, we don't. That's the only place we can make shelves out of right there. That well, that's still strong enough to make a shelf out of.
Let's make a shelf out of that.
So leave that like it is.
What do y'all think? Shelf?
I don't know. I just didn't want to get in the middle of it.
We probably need a referee.
Oh, that's
For at least 4 or 5 years. It's an oak of some sort. Probably red oak because that's what's prevalent around here. But it starts going into that rot process. You know, it's still structurally sound wood. I mean, it's still,
Right.
you know, still structurally sound wood. But because it went through that rot process, it has all this character in it.
yeah.
This is just too pretty just to cut it up. I mean, this is just gorgeous.
Well, she wants to make take these and stand them up on the ends
Uh-huh.
and then make shelves out of them.
Make a shelf out of
Make
it.
like a rustic shelf out of it.
I think that would be pretty, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It's got that unique
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you
wormy looking. I
Yeah.
don't mean it's wormy, but
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I mean,
Kind of, decorative.
the funguses among us
yeah.
starting to. I mean, it'd have to be. It's got to be dried and.
Well, we'll just try to make a shelf because this is just too pretty to cut up.
If not, you can cut it up or whatever.
Nice little piece right there. Pow, 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 pow. Turn them around sideways. That little knot sticks out there.
want the other one?
Go ahead.
Okay, hey, this was that one piece we cut off at the beginning. Never thought nothing about it. Look at these little boards that we were able to save. These are solid. I mean, that's solid lumber. But again, it's got the sugar breakdown in there where it's making these amazing patterns. And this would have just been lost. So once this is dried, and you can make amazing stuff out of this because of the patterns. I'm going to start looking for old logs that are in the woods that's been laid down for a while. There's some very unique stuff out there. Hey, this was taken after everything was done, and I've already said goodbye. So we'll put this in before the goodbye. Let's do that up top, because that's the pretty part up top. I did this one backwards. I got it. I'm gonna rotate this one around.
I'll turn the other way. Make it pretty design on the other side.
That's prettier, man. You don't?
I like that side better.
Hey, this is pretty amazing. This log's probably been laying on the ground at least, 5 years, maybe 6. If it had been there one more year, it probably wouldn't have been worth using. But it's still really solid wood, and as the sugars break down in the wood, it starts making these different types of patterns. This is absolutely amazing. Probably going to make something like a shelf out of this. This is going to be the legs of the shelf, so it'll be standing up like this, and then put shelves across there, some sort of cabin type shelf system. But anyway, this is absolutely amazing. I'm just so excited about what this is going to turn into. If you like what we do, hit that thumbs up. If you really like what we do, hit the subscribe button and the bell. And look, we are trying to get our Facebook page to 10,000 followers. If you wouldn't mind, ease over to our Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description, and check us out over there too. God bless. Have a great end.
Okay, we're done.
We're done. We're done. We could probably cut that up real quick, make shells out of it.